Hi, my name is Michelle Rodriguez and I'm with Coldwell Banker Jaco Beach. Today I'm so excited to show you this beautiful property that is located just 1 kilometer from Jaco Beach. This property has 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, private pool, and even an upper terrace breathtaking views. So come with me, I will show you this house today. This house comes fully furnished and it comes with luxury features like this custom gourmet kitchen with waterfall island. This spacious living room has TV theater style, and every bedroom has built-in floor-to-ceiling closets. In the master bedroom even has a mirror closets. So chic! This home is less than 3 years old in like new condition, and it sits in a gated community with 24-hour security, community pool, and entertaining covered area. With low HOAs and so many perks, like all-include furniture, barbecue, and roller blinds in all the bedrooms, you don't want to miss this one. Contact me today to schedule your private tour showing. This could be your next home in paradise in Costa Rica. Thank you.